What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the Annitory Quickshifter app. If you saw one of the latest videos, I installed a Annitory Qs Pro 2 on Little Blue. So anyhow, stay tuned right after this intro. Okay guys, so as you saw in my previous video, I installed a Annitory Quickshifter. By the way, this Quickshifter is awesome. Very reliable. I have nothing negative to say about the Quickshifter itself. I installed it on Little Blue. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into the app. So that's the app right there. As you see here, you got scan, read, and upload. So if I was to hit scan now, it's not gonna scan, as you see. Excuse the broken screen. The cell phone fell off my bike, but it's not picking it up because the bike is off. So let's close that. Let's turn on Little Blue. So let me make this a little quieter. So hopefully you guys can see. So you see here there's a scan button, a read button, and an upload button. So once you get this app, oh by the way, there's two versions of this app. There's a version called Annitory Quickshifter Qs Pro, and then you have the Annitory Quickshifter Qs Pro 2. In my case, I install the Pro 2 because that's what I install on the bike. So the first thing you want to do is hit scan. It's gonna scan for the Quickshifter module. Found, click, read. So see how it says it found it? So now you gotta click read. So now it's reading all the settings that I have set up on the Quickshifter. Sensitivity, this is the sensitivity to adjust the sensitivity of your shifter when you're clicking up or pushing down. And this is the kill time, the cutoff kill time for every shift. So basically, on this Quickshifter, it's not like others you can adjust the kill time per gear. On this one, it's a straight shot deal. You adjust the kill time and it adjusts throughout the whole 6 gears. In my opinion, that is a con, but to be quite honest, for $250 Quickshifter, I don't expect more. There are other Quickshifters out there that you can program your kill time per gear, which is, in my opinion, I like that better, but this one doesn't have that feature. It has sensitivity on the push and sensitivity on the pull. Excuse me. So it's a straight shot deal. You can't adjust through each gear, which that sucks. All right, so basically, if I want to make a change on my settings, let's say I want to increase or decrease my kill time. I had it on 70. Let's go to let's go to 69. I don't know why I picked that number, but anyhow, so as you see, I changed that setting. Let's change this one also. So once you change these settings, basically you have to upload it onto the module, because changing these settings, if you don't upload it, nothing's going to change on the bike. So right now we hit upload, and it uploaded the new settings to the module on the bike. So every time you make a change, whether it's sensitivity, whether it's a dwell, filter, whatever, you have to hit upload. If you don't hit upload, you're not changing anything on the bike. They recommend, also another thing, they recommend you leave this at 18 on older bikes. This is what controls the voltage to the quick shifter itself. So I'm leaving it at that. I am having an issue where when I'm revving high, my F1 light is, FI light is turning on. So I gotta check that, but I gotta get the bike on the dyno. I'm gonna get it on the dyno this week. So we're gonna go ahead and play with that then. Yes. Here, check it out. This thing is awesome. You can't go wrong. $250 for a quick shifter. This thing, you know, I gotta say, the app is not the greatest. What I don't like is, look at them gold pants or boots. Anyhow, back to the topic. I don't like the fact that you cannot adjust the cutoff on every gear, but for $250, like I said, you're still getting a good deal. Yeah, this quick shifter is pretty good though. You know, I don't care about the app too much. Yeah, it helps to dial it in a little bit. The quick shifter, you can feel that the timing compared to the other quick shifter, the timing on the coils feels a whole lot better than the heel tech quick shifter. I feel like the timing of the coil ignition, the ignition coils, it just feels better. The bike feels better. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We have more content coming, so please support the channel. Hit us up on Instagram if you guys want to ride with us, make videos with us, collab with us. Hit us up on Instagram. The link is on the channel on the upper right hand. I also have a Facebook. But anyhow, guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We got more content coming soon. Peace.